What's up, man?
Not much.
You got a bit lost?
Oh, you got lost?
Sort of.
I sorted too. Well, I was like right here. I think I got where it was. There's not like too many people in there.
I want to picture the rabbit in front of the sign. The future is vegan sign.
So mate, we're closed.
Oh fuck! Really?
Closed, mate.
You closed it?
For you, we are.
Ah fuck!
Yeah, I told you they knew. Like they was fucking looked around as soon as I walked past.
Okay. Oh, let's just chill outside then.
We're too infamous to these guys.
So basically what? They saw you, right?
Yeah, I told you. We just walked. Boop,
Check it out. 1 week old rabbit. Yeah, it's smelly, but whatever.
Oh no, it's
That's like high meat.
Nah, not really.
On the outside
that's
only,
the rabbit.
not on the inside.
My meat is very strong, like
This is.
a month.
That's pretty fresh meat.
I'll be high after this.
Oh dear man.
They've literally locked the doors before we've arrived because they don't even want to discuss
Yeah.
like the dangers of veganism. They seem a bit afraid. Discrimination.
Support your local farmer. Buy local, buy good quality meat, good quality fat.
Discrimination. It's like this is my religious right to eat meat. It says it in the Bible.
And you're eating it.
But I just wanted to go in. I didn't have it when I was trying to go in.
There's not a lot of customers today, is there?
Not this time.
Is there more later?
Why isn't Ed here?
Nah, he's too busy.
Too busy helping the kids.
He's too busy, yeah, collecting money from this restaurant. Probably getting paid by plant-based meat.
Monsanto,
Yeah.
for sure.
This guy's paid shit 100%. If he has a restaurant, I don't think it's his own
Yeah,
restaurant.
man, like that's
It's not his own
paid by all the
restaurant.
pharmaceutical companies.
What does that sign read? Eat animal fats, don't die. Smile for the camera.
What are you saying? Because it's so difficult. I can't get milk. All this way, say meat.
There
we go. A big part of what we're trying to say here is support your local farmer, buy raw products, buy raw milk where you can, look for it, go out of your way because you have to. And then ask yourself why.
Also, don't forget that if you feel stuck, depressed, miserable, you're smoking a lot of weed, you know, you think you need drugs to feel good, okay? Like a lot of people, young people, so literally just have a small bite of raw grass-fed beef liver and then just click in your head automatically. This raw meat is like the foundation block of your life. If you don't have it, it's like if feeding a cat cereal. You think you feel good, you have no idea what feeling good is until you have raw meat. So.
Stop using supermarkets, as that's not meat.
Yeah, it's not. Especially with all the bullshit preservatives and everything.
Find good quality meat.
Cause the vegan deceiving, concealing the healing, fighting the source to the garden of Eden. Nature gave pause to a carnivore being. Bankrupt morals, transgender seeding. Take no pill and spill into freedom. Sovereign king as within, so revealing. Agenda 21 and your son won't be breathing. Virtue signaling, truth you're kneeling. Char griller, soy boy rare with their treason. Vegans are squealing, they've lost all meaning. Peddling pills like doctors dealing. 15 years I was caught in this demon. They think they're right, cause they got no feeling. Life's too short to be leaving. Fuck your soy, estrogen evil. Headless chicken like a zombie legion. 18 famous physicians are vegan. Born from the plot to rot your brain needing. Real food, not what they're feeding. Searching for milk from the tit of the heathen. Fit with venom cause you got no semen. Vegans are squealing, they've lost all meaning. Fruitarians keeling, love revealing. We've got a diet that's a riot in season. Caught and bought like a fish they're reeling. Biting the cake of the fate they're dealing. Karma's a lake but their eyes are screaming. Heart is fake and their mouth is creaming. Live in a world with my human being. If we can't love ourselves then it's bankrupt meaning. Yeah. Okay, this is dedicated to Earthling Ed. 7 billion deaths a year from crops, making your mead from the devil's hops. Far too busy fixing your halo, so your blog looks just like J-Lo stuck in your head. Your wisdom's dead, all you've got's what the UN said. Your vegan religion was paid by the system, it's like a prison you're paying to live in. Saving a pig while you kill 10 pigeons, wearing a wig cause your body's wigging. UK's the Mecca, Earthling Edgar, E.T. phone home, got a bone for your brother. Righteous fanatic, preaching plastic like a talking matchstick. Earthling Ed, you're fucked in the head. This ex-vegan's gonna tuck you to bed. Your fake morals are built on blood, manipulating sorrows with people's love, sodomizing nature's human form into a cow that's chewing corn, castrating youth into a pawn. Now a transhumanity is born. Your snake eyes are filled with lies, teaching us mass suicide, glorifying genocide. I'm here to keep them kids alive. You're underfed and overbought. Your million words bled out to naught. Thinks you're a savior for saving birds, saving animals with Hannibal's thirst. We're here too, got my UK crew. Vegans can't never weather what we do, cause nature speaks, dominoes fall. One by one, gonna teach them all. Claim their bones sooner or later. Either way, they'll remember their nature. Meat of the matter, serve you on a platter, but you must get fatter cause you're just a cracker. Meat of the matter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Very good.
Don't go vegan. I'm all for people having the right to choose whatever they want to eat, but when vegan propaganda lies are mixed in with the truth saying you can get everything from a plant-based diet, and then they live on injections and pills.
And then they want to ban meat.
Yeah.